Hello guys, let's look at how to create a relationship between tables. So first of all, let's create a new schema called demo schema. um, so now let me refresh and you can see the demo schema over here. Now I'll let me create tables over here, but I will use what is called, let me go to cell database and come to reverse engineer. Select the demo over here, which is the connection name that we just created. Then let me continue. Let me use demo again and then execute. We are now at the okay. So the reverse engineer brings us to a graphical EER diagram. Now when you come here, you will see some icons over here, which is used place a new table. So this icon is used to create a table. So just click on it and drop it over there, then double click on it, and let's say that the first one is student. Then so that's the table name, students. Then the primary ID will be ID students, and let me make it auto increment. Then let's say student underscore name, and that one to it should not be null. And okay, so let me use this for now. For now, and then let's create another table called courses. So courses, and let's say the primary ID of courses is ID courses, and then it should also be auto increment. So the first thing that we want to look at it is that okay, let me add the course name. It should also be not null, and we are now having courses and then students. Now each student over here will do so many courses here. So a student that is here can do so many courses. A student that is here can do so many courses. Okay, or so many courses. Courses over here can be offered by so many students. So one course over here can be offered by so many students, or a student can also offer so many courses over here, and a courses that is here can be offered by so many students. So when you look at it, the relationship between this and that will be many to many relationship. Now how do we apply that? The system is going to do it for us. So come to this and you see this this arrow, some is facing the left, some is also facing the right. Just click on it, then click on the students, and then we also click on the courses. Then the system generates another column for us, which is saying that students underscore ID student courses underscore ID courses. So it is now saying that each student can offer so many courses. Okay, so we can have a student offering so many courses, and then we can also having a course over here which is being offered by so many students. Okay, so it is able to fetch the primary ID, the primary ID of students and the primary ID of courses. So this is called one to many, many to many relationship. And so it is so easy now. But when you go to our database and you refresh, you will not see that over there. It is not reflecting over there. So what we'll do is that we go to a database and then you select forward engineer. So you select still the connection name, which is the demo that we did, we created. Then you now you see that first it was 2 table, now we have 3, including this. Okay, then you click on continue. It generates the codes that will be run. So you can even run this code separately. You can just copy and run it on the terminal over there. You still have the same thing. Now you click on continue. There is no any error, and then we now close. So let's go back to our database now, and you are going to see that now you see that there is a table over there. So let's expand, and then we now have the three tables that has been created for us. And you see it is also simple to use reverse engineer and then forward engineer to create your table. And when you do that, if there is no any error doing your forward engineer, then it means that your database is clean, and when you do a migration to any other platform, you wouldn't have any much problem with it. We'll come back and do the in our next video. We'll be looking at one to many, and then the vice versa. So guys, take your time, practice it. If you have um any comment, put it on the comment section, and you can also reach me using my email below. Kindly subscribe so that